Hi, and welcome to this edition of Marijuana Markets Update. I am Matt Badiali. I hope you guys are having a great week. Hey, if you're new to this podcast, don't forget, take a minute, like and subscribe below. We will send you every week a video talking about the financial aspects of investing in the cannabis markets. I think this is a great place to be. I think it's a great place to make a lot of money. This week, we're going to start out with Canopy Growth. Now, these guys are the largest of the cannabis companies by market cap. I really like this company, but they made some missteps in the last quarter, which they told us about, and I'm going to bring the most important part of that to you. Canopy Growth is about a $6.3 billion market cap company. They're still rolling out their entire retail lineup, so they're still building their brands, and in this last quarter, they admitted to making some mistakes. With the COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown, what we saw was cannabis consumers shifted gears. They wanted less expensive brands. And to be fair, that's I'm not surprised about that, right? We all kind of felt the pinch. There was a lot of fear. And when you're afraid, you're not going to shell out that extra money for the premium stuff. You can make a pretty simple comparison to coffee. I feel really good about the market and I feel like I'm making a lot of money, and I go into my coffee shop, I'm going to buy that premium coffee. When I'm feeling a little leaner and things are a little tighter, I'm probably not going to shell out for that high-end stuff. I'm just going to get myself a cup of coffee to go. And that's essentially what happened in the cannabis market. The lower cost brands really soared. In fact, they now make up about 20% of the market. Consumers are buying the lower end brands. The other aspect of this, which caught Canopy off guard, which I thought was really funny, is that folks wanted high potency. They wanted cannabis with high THC. Apparently, they wanted cheap and potent, and Canopy wasn't prepared to give it to them. So I thought that was really funny. And lesson learned, I still think Canopy Growth is probably the best company out there right now for the long haul. This is one that's going to make a lot of money for folks who get in now and hang on for the ride. But in general, I think that we've seen the kind of the future of the cannabis market. When I say cheap and potent, I think that's what we're going to see. So unlike craft beers, where you have all these little breweries and they're changing all their flavors, that may happen, but it's not going to happen at the plant level. I really think that what you're going to see with the cannabis plant itself is commoditization. It's going to be mass produced. The THC and the CBD are going to be extracted. Kind of think corn, right? Think a big agricultural commodity like that, where you don't know the individual farmers that are growing your corn, but the corn syrup ends up in everything. The ethanol ends up in your gas tank. That's really the direction that cannabis is going. So you're going to have lots of growers, and the growers aren't going to make a ton of money. The integrated folks are, so the folks who have everything from grow all the way up to retail brands, kind of the ExxonMobil model in the cannabis space, I think are going to be clear winners. But you're going to have those companies that kind of establish their brands, stake out their marketing strategy, the Monster Energy style, the Starbucks style, and they're going to do well too. So keep that in mind as you go forward in this market. I really think that branding is going to be critical. The lines of products are going to be critical. There's also going to be what we would call the picks and shovel plays. There are companies in this market right now that fill niches. So you've got to be able to take your crop somewhere and have that THC and that CBD extracted without it being contaminated by anything. You have to have it tested so you're not getting a big dose of pesticides in there as well. So there's lots of parts to this market that have potential opportunities for us to make a lot of money. Canopy, that was a stumble. That wasn't a fall. I think they're still going to be one of the clear winners 5 years from now. And so we'll look back on this video and you can send me a Christmas card. when you've made all that money. So thanks for watching. I'm Matt Badiali, and this was your marijuana market update. Hey, don't forget, like and subscribe below. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.